So when do you know that you are actually getting this stuff? I mean, when do you realize that all this training and all this information is finally kicking in? Well, I'll tell you. When you are able to apply it and make good, safe decisions that guide you through problems to get you safely where you need to go. I separated this program into two parts, not only because this illustrates good cockpit communication, but this also tells a story. In this program, we were being vectored around thunderstorms from Key West to Wauchula, and we had to divert to, not our first alternate, but our second alternate. So watch the way we communicated with each other and with ATC, and you'll find out how good training and good comms actually paid off. Also, look out the windows and you can see some of the cells that we were avoiding. So check out what happens. You'll really like this one.
That's Charlie, Oscar, Romeo, Golf, India. Then direct Carter intersection, then is file, maintain 8,000. Departure frequency will be 124.02 and squawk 4734.
Roger that. We'll get radar vectors and Corgi, then Carter, 8,000 feet, 124.02, 4734 in the box, 9 Golf Kilo.
9 Golf Kilo, read back correct, advise ready for taxi with Papa.
Ready for taxi, and we do have Papa, 9 Golf Kilo.
Golf Kilo, runway 27, taxi via Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha to 27, Golf Kilo. On.
As required, heater, air conditioner.
Off.
Avionics switches.
That.
Gyros.
Low on that
You're
one.
a little low, but I don't know if that's because we're idling.
How's that look?
Yep, we're back up to 5. That's good. Electric trim.
Okay, set.
Autopilot.
Off.
Fuel valves.
On the inboards.
At the taxi.
Got it. Okay.
Radios.
Let's stay straight for our
Yeah,
runway.
we will, right.
Okay, radios are set.
And park and brake.
And radios are going to, okay, park and brake is set. Check the mags. Not going to do that.
Okay. And we're at our engine run-up checklist. Parking brake. And mixtures. Prop controls. Oh, you're going to bring it up, okay.
Come on, baby, get up there. There you go.
That's it. Prop controls.
Mag check.
All right, you jumped ahead. That's all right.
Sweet.
Good.
Good.
Humming. Okay, you're at your mag check. Bring the throttles back down to 650 idle check. Idle check.
Ground, what's your 530?
Good with that?
Off of 27.
And throttles back to 1,000.
Selection 530, QS ground, taxi via Alpha. Alpha, signature 530.
Okay, going to tower. Putting 124. Let me take this one.
You got it. Yeah, absolutely. I'm just holding the yoke, right?
25, what is it? 124.02. Okay.
148.02 and okay, so takeoff, no flaps.
Correct.
All right, so before takeoff, seatbelts and seatbelts,
Check.
no smoking sign, fuel selectors.
Inboard.
Fuel quantity,
Checked.
we're good. Mixtures and props,
Full forward.
flaps,
Set.
autopilot,
Off.
trim,
Set.
surface de-ice,
Off.
pitot and prop heat,
Off.
windshield heat,
Off.
avionics,
On.
direction indicator, set, radar,
Off.
transponder,
Good.
controls,
Free and clear.
emergency fuel pump, I'll bring them on, air conditioner,
Off.
prop sync,
Off.
parking brake.
Off.
Pre-takeoff checklist is complete. Normal takeoff.
Yep.
You've got the plane.
I've got the airplane. Tower 9er Golf Kilo, runway 27, ready for takeoff.
Number 9er Golf Kilo, QS Tower, stand by.
Standing by, 9 Golf Kilo. You don't like it, Ted, just throw it out the window. It's alright.
Number 999 Golf Kilo, climb maintain 2, correction, turn right heading 360, climb maintain 2000, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Okay, right turn 360 to 2000 and clear for takeoff, 9 Golf Kilo. Okay, we got runway 27.
How do you know for sure?
It's a wild guess.
They call it a hunch. I think it's there.
Okay. All right, 27, checking the heading. Everything's looking good. Here we go.
Clear.
Pumps off. Okay. Pumps are on. Throttle's coming up. Like the wind's right down the runway.
Confirm clear land for KEYW.
And here we go.
2 traffic departing prior to arrival is a PA31, runway 27, close land. Clear land, KEYW.
Airspeed alive, both.
Airspeed is alive.
70,
80.
80.
And
90.
rotating. Hold the nose down. Okay. Pretty much out of runway. Gears coming up. Trim down.
In transit.
Okay. Rocking and rolling.
120.
Left turn, 180, United 1553.
And I could turn left if it's up to 313 now, it's clear.
Number 54313, roger, turn left heading 360.
360, 313.
Number 665 Julia Kilo, contact Miami Center 132.45.
45, 5 Kilo.
United 1553, proceed direct Carter.
Carter, United 1553.
Number 9 Golf Kilo, safe flight conditions.
We're in clear air right now, but we got a big buildup right here in front of us. We're just trying to duck under it. 9 Golf Kilo.
Number 9 Golf Kilo, and like I said, those buildups are moving quite rapidly to the east-northeast. I'm showing 50 knots on the pace there, so I'm not sure if you want to stay on the backside of that.
We are going to, I think we get in right here, and then we may have to go to the right a little bit once we get down a little bit lower, 9 Golf Kilo.
Number 9 Golf Kilo, roger, just keep me advised.
Roger that.
Any chance of higher for United 1553?
United 1553, contact Miami Center 132.4.
3240, United 1553, so long.
United 678 over to tower.
What do you think of 4,000?
All right, United
I think
678,
4,000 is
contact
better.
128.75.
Yeah, let's request 4.
Fort Myers, 9 Golf Kilo. What about 4,000 for us, huh?
Number 9 Golf Kilo, affirmative, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, 9 Golf Kilo.
All right, radar is clear. There's no, there's a little teeny cell right at our 11 o'clock.
Okay, right where I was aiming.
Get around this.
That
side
looks
we
good
can
right
see it.
over there.
Yeah. We're gonna, after we pass this, we're gonna want to come to the right about 10 degrees.
Okay. But we're looking good. 2,000 more.
54313, proceed
think
direct
right now?
St. Pete.
Correct. Let's try that.
Direct St. Pete, I don't know if I can make it, let's see. I'll try, thank you.
54313, in that case, just fly heading of 350 for now,
Yeah,
and you
that's
can
perfect.
expect direct St. Pete with
Now we
the
can get a bath, get this dirt off the plane.
Yep.
Roger, 350
1,000
and
to go.
expect St. Pete with the center. 313.
Banana Golf Kilo, area of moderate precipitation, 11 to 1 o'clock, 5 miles. Area is 4 miles in diameter, moving to the northeast.
Roger that. We see the rain, and it looks like it's going to be clear once we get down to 4,000, 9 Golf Kilo.
Santo 361, set to maintain 3,000.
All right, 500 to go.
All right.
And you're still at full flaps.
Yep.
Let me know to pull that up.
Go ahead and start taking them out about 5 degrees at a time.
All right, you're coming up 5 degrees. Oh, really fell that one.
Fort Myers, 405, requesting 5,000.
Okay.
Number 54313,
And
contact
there's
Miami Center
4,000.
127.2.
All right,
47.2,
4,000 coming up.
thank you.
Flaps coming up another
Aircraft
5.
compromise approach on the landline, say again.
Yeah, 40 Foxtrot requesting 5,000.
There we go.
40 Foxtrot, roger, set to maintain 5,000.
Okay.
5,000, 40 Fox.
All right, 3,900, flaps coming all the way up.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I see
There you go. All right, you're at 120 airspeed. There we go. All right, the next cell we have.
Flaps are all the way up?
Flaps are all the way
Okay.
up.
Good.
The next cell we have is 11 o'clock and 24 miles ahead of us. So by the time we get there, it'll be directly in front of us. And we need to get around that. It looks like a big one.
Okay.
It's right over 4
Approach, good afternoon, JetBlue 1665, 10,000 whiskey. JetBlue 1665, Fort Myers approach, roger.
Cleaned off the windshield.
Yeah.
All right, your defroster is coming on.
Okay.
Heater cabin air on and heat.
40 Foxtrot, safe flight conditions.
40 Fox is IMC, light rain, -1, negative ice.
40 Foxtrot, roger.
And temperature is 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. You're good.
We should clear that one. Yep. Good. So we're right on the edge of it?
Yeah, we,
I'm asking for the controller's information.
This was 361, proceed direct off doy.
Would you say we're right on the edge of it?
Direct
Look at it.
oh yeah, definitely.
Okay, thank you.
JetBlue 1665, proceed direct Roddy, send and maintain 2000.
Direct Roddy 2000, JetBlue 1665.
Yeah, this isn't showing up on my radar.
Nice.
Yeah, that's not showing up on my radar, and that's moisture, so I don't know what...
What do we got ahead of us?
All right, so we do have a cell ahead of us about 11 o'clock, right over Fort Myers, and...
Right over Fort Myers, right over here.
No, it's right at your 11 o'clock. I'm thinking we should just
Where we
verify.
at?
We're right here.
Okay.
So it's right there, but I'm not...
Renata Golf Kilo, there is an additional area of moderate to heavy precipitation, 10 to 12 o'clock now, 15 miles. Area is 10 miles in diameter, moving rapidly to the northeast.
Roger that. We'll advise 9 Golf Kilo.
Santo 361,
we might
5
want
miles from off doy, cross off doy at
we might want to cut in
3000,
front of that one
tree
because
approach.
it's all behind it.
Roger, off
and then we got this nastiness over here.
3000 and clear for the RNAV 23 approach, Santo.
So what's this?
361.
That is
158 Echo Charlie's off Naples, leveling 1500, climbing 2270 heading.
158 Echo Charlie, Fort Myers departure, radar contact, turn right, heading 360, climb maintain 10,000, 10,000.
Right turn 360, climb maintain 10, 10,000, Larry Echo Charlie.
All right, move this over. Let's look. What does the back look like?
Number 158 Echo Charlie, along
back
your route
is
of
light.
flight, have multiple
Okay.
reports of
Yeah, I wouldn't
moderate
go to the
turbulence.
left.
Additionally, we did have a report of a mixed icing just northeast of Naples at 12,000.
Right.
Okay, we'll take a look at 10, let's put 10,000 in for a final, we'll take a look at that.
Sorry, number 158 Echo Charlie, you said you wanted to what, 10,000 as a final?
Yeah, we'll try 10,000 for a final, Echo Charlie.
Number 158 Echo Charlie, roger, maintain 10,000 and turn right heading 010.
Right turn 010, climb maintain 10,000, Echo Charlie.
JetBlue 1665, request it left for weather.
JetBlue 1665, deviation left of course approved, when able proceed direct Roddy and advise.
Left and then direct Roddy 1 able. JetBlue 1665, still down to 2000.
JetBlue 665, affirmative, maintain 2000.
2000, JetBlue 1665.
Let's get away from that.
Yep, hang on.
Yep.
Approach 9 Golf Kilo. We'd like to go direct LaBelle, direct Wachula.
Number 8 Echo Charlie, amend altitude, maintain 9,000. This is the best altitude I can give you for the northeast flight.
Okay, right down 9,000, Echo Charlie.
Fort Myers 9 Golf Kilo. Would like to go direct LaBelle.
Number 9 Golf Kilo, roger, cleared to Wachula Airport, proceed direct LaBelle, direct Wachula, maintain 4,000.
Roger that. Direct LaBelle, direct Wachula, 4,000 9 Golf Kilo. Good. Okay, so let's get us going. What's the identifier for LaBelle?
X-ray 14, X-ray 14.
Okay, so 356. I'm sorry.
Number 158 Echo Charlie, turn right direct
056.
LaBelle.
Right turn direct LaBelle, Echo Charlie.
Yep, and we should be there in 6 minutes. And it looks clear.
I like it, oh praise my Lord God.
Approach JetBlue 1665, direct to Roddy. JetBlue 1665, roger, 8 miles from Roddy, cross Roddy at 2000, cleared on nav, runway 24, approach. Roddy at 2000,
look at
cleared
that,
on nav,
that's
24,
nice.
JetBlue 1665.
Approach 834 Juliet Sierra, level 4000 with whiskey.
Hey, 834 Juliet Sierra, 4 miles approach, roger, reduce speed to 180, then descend and maintain 3000.
Slow 180, then descend 3000, 834 Juliet Sierra.
JetBlue 1665, maintain 170
Ugly.
greater.
Yeah.
170 or greater, JetBlue 1665.
Temperature came up a little bit.
Yeah, I noticed that. All right, so after we hit LaBelle, we're going to be cleared to Wauchula. There is a big, huge nastiness.
We'll keep an eye on that.
Yeah.
It's 50 miles from LaBelle to Wauchula.
Yeah, so we should get in there. And maybe we'll catch a nice spot of dead air if that thing's getting kind of close.
Oh yeah.
You know, because sometimes it'll do that. So.
Fort Myers approach, Sierra 643 Juliet.
We should
Mike,
scoot 10 degrees to the
November 1 Charlie Victor, turn
Where we
left
at?
heading, correction 1 Charlie Victor, turn left
Right
to
here.
correct.
But this radar doesn't seem to be too accurate.
3 Juliet Mike, Fort Myers,
Look out the window. Let's go 20 degrees to the
824
right over
Juliet
there.
Sierra, ready for inbound.
November 4 Juliet Sierra, turn left heading 260.
Left 260, 834 Juliet Sierra.
Yeah, unless it's just kind of
9
hazy.
Golf Kilos going, picking around the little cells here and going direct Wauchula.
9 Golf Kilo, roger. The Rock 25, contact Miami Center, 134.75.
3470.
No, I told them they're picking around, so.
November 4 Juliet Sierra, proceed direct to Roddy, 5 miles from Roddy, cross Roddy at 2000, cleared RNAV, runway 24 approach.
Direct to Roddy, cleared the RNAV 24 approach, 834 Juliet Sierra.
Yeah, it's hard to see through this stuff because
November 8 Echo Charlie, descend and maintain.
So one thing that we do have,
Echo Charlie.
we have the windshield wiper that if we see ice build up, that's where it will probably build up first.
Who's checking in, sorry?
Jet 379, 5000.
Jet 379, Fort Myers approach, Fort Myers altimeter 2985, turn left heading 110, vector final approach course.
Left turn 110, Jet 379.
And November 8 Echo Charlie, verify you're making the turn for down.
yeah, we got to stay
No,
away
you
from
said
this stuff.
we could maintain this heading. You're going to give us vectors on this 3035 heading.
Affirmative, thanks. Flighting 050.
Okay, 050, and we can take that turn anytime now.
You know, if this is going to Wauchula, if this is heading at 55 miles an hour, we're not going to make Wauchula. We should probably just head over to Avon because
Well, let's see what we got.
Yeah.
I agree. Let's see what we got.